Hey, this is just a quick video to show you what to do to make sure that your 3D printed model is available or able to print properly. So this is a cell phone holder that we have been making in class. Once I'm sure that my phone will fit in here, we are ready to print. So I've already grouped it. So when we're going to make it print, remember we want to avoid supports. So what we're going to do is we're going to flip it. Let's go here to my rotator. I'm going to go down into here. So I go exactly to 90 and just drop it down here. So you can see over here how far I am from the work plane. Just going to drop it down to 0. So it should be good to print. The only problem is when you look, you can see that, just going to zoom in over here, that I'm actually floating. And that part of my phone holder is floating, which is going to cause problems for the printer. So there are numerous ways to fix it. One way would be to select everything, ungroup everything, and make everything just perfect. But we're going to use a little bit of a cheater method, or an easier method. So this is much simpler. So I'm just going to raise this up. I'm going to bring in a whole box. Remember, because this is a hole, it doesn't matter how big you make it, as long as it is bigger than your phone holder in this case. So just make that the size of that. And then I'm just going to take my phone holder here, I'm just going to drop it right down into the hole. So you can see I have my number here, how far I am from the work plane, but I'm just going to bring it in here until you see the color change. And so you can just see right here, when I zoom in, you can see that there's a different color. That means it's going to be slicing that part off. You can just double check to make sure there's nothing left floating, looking all the way around. Looks pretty good. I'm going to zoom back out again. I'm just going to select everything, and then I just group it. I can zoom back in, and now when I drop it down, I go down to 0 again. Now it's perfectly flat because we sliced everything off. You can see how everything is touching, and we're good to print. Won't be a problem. That's all you need to know.